Alright, it is cold outside. It's like 16 degrees out there, and we don't even have any snow to play in. So it's cold, but we're in this warm shop. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the Hazard Sky 2-inch lift level kit for my Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. So I've got 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk, doing an overland build on, and we're going to put on this lift, and I'll have a video on that coming out whenever I get done with it, to be honest. But so I ordered this on December 28th. It arrived on January 15th, so it took a couple weeks, but let's get into a little bit of the unboxing here so you can see what's in it. So I can see what's in it because I haven't opened it yet, and we'll rummage through it and talk about what we got. Alright, so let's get after this. So I got my little kniff, or knife, if you aren't familiar with the kniff. Get this cut open. Let's see, more tape. More tape. We got not a clean unbox job on my part. Well, that's good. Alright, anyways. Nice little styrofoam deal there. Alright. So, a couple of spacers. Spacing block. KL 2-inch. Says there. There we go. Plastics and bolts. Oh, those are the bolts you gotta drill out. Gummy bears. That's interesting. Well, 12 flavor gummy bears. Not what you expect to get in a lift kit, but that's cool. And Allen wrench. Looks like maybe a couple set screws. And I destroyed that. Alright, let's look at this. So, .2.0 level kit. Rear installation. Let me open these up. Get an idea. Alright, collar. So, gonna have two of those. Apparently I need to sharpen my knife. That. These are just like a hard plastic. So we'll have to see, read the directions, see what exactly goes where. I've never put a lift on, so it should be a good time. That's what will come in the box if you buy the Hazard Sky 2.0 Cherokee lift kit. So that's a 2-inch, supposed to be a lift level, 2 inches on the front, and I think it said 1.75 if I remember right in the rear. But hey, we're going to put it on and we're going to find out, see exactly what we get out of this lift. So we'll do some measurements before, do some measurements after, see what we end up with.